Hi and welcome back! My name is Emily Hessler. Today I'm going to use two stamp sets called Puddle Jumpers and Rainy Days together. And I'm going to use an ink from Gina K, and this is an ink that you can use with Copic markers and with watercolors if you wanted to. So I will actually do some coloring with Copics today. So I picked a couple of the smaller stamps from this stamp set, just trying them out on a scrap piece of paper, and then I'm using my piece of paper here. I think it was 4 by 5, this piece. I'm a little bit unsure here. Anyway, it will leave a little bit of a border on my A2 sized card base. So I did this, I picked my acrylic blocks up, inked them up, and then making this look like it was just thrown down on this paper. And for this video I will show you how I fix 3 mistakes that appeared in this card. So for the first mistake, you can see I didn't like my rainbow colored umbrella there, so I will actually go with just blue umbrellas. But I had already colored in one of them and realized that this wasn't the way I was going with this card. I wanted this to have a more boyish masculine tone to it, so with the colors of the umbrella I didn't like it. So I will show you in a second here, when I colored in some of these, how I fixed it. I will actually take the same stamp set and just stamp it down with the same ink on a scrap piece of paper, color it in, and then fussy cut it out. This is really easy to do, takes no time at all, and if it's just these small images that you don't like, I don't think nobody will ever see that you've done this and covered your mistake. If you wanted to be extra sure, you could actually put your sentiment on top of this part later on, and nobody would ever see this. So I'm just carefully going around fussy cutting these out. You can see the handle of the umbrella I'm just cutting off, because you will not see, you don't have to fussy cut around that, you already have that stamped out. So just to make this go seamless, I'm taking a black marker. This is just a marker that I have in my stash that I really like to use for stuff like this. I think I got it from eBay like years ago. I don't know even if it's a brand. I just typed in, I think, black marker. Anyway, that's another story. I took this umbrella and you can see how it fits right in. Took some liquid glue from Nuvo, and then I will place my little umbrella down, and you can see what a big difference that makes. Makes the card look a lot better. So for my second mistake here, I actually put my thumb in the wet ink and got a little bit of a smear. So I just used some sand eraser from Mono, or actually from Tombow, but it's called Mono, and it fixes it right away. And my third mistake was, I don't know if it was the stamp, or if it was the ink, or if it was both, or if it just was my mistake, but it was kind of some of the stamp didn't stamp perfectly, so I just went in with a black marker. This one is an artist sketch pen from Kuretake, and it's an alcohol based marker, so it was good that I did it afterwards, because otherwise it could have actually ruined my Copic marker, since it's an alcohol based marker. I went ahead and heat embossed in white some happy sentiments here, hooray hooray hooray, and that pretty much finished this card off. I used some black sequins from Trinity Stamps, and I will leave links down below for all the products that I used today. And I hope you like this card. If you did, please give this card a thumb up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. And I will also say that I went in with some sparkles on top of just the umbrellas, just to give it a little bit more of a finished touch. And yeah, that was it. Really easy card to create, and I think it has the vibe I was going for. So until next time, have a great day. Bye!